As a newly added model, the new car's appearance and interior have not changed significantly, predominantly replaced by a 6-speed manual gearbox, and also a minor wipeout at the configuration level. In terms of power system, the new car is equipped with a 1.5T engine paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox with a maximum power of 115 kW. In terms of exterior design, the front of the new car continues to use an oversized air intake grille. The grille adopts a dot matrix design, while the shape of the headlight assembly still adopts a long stripe design, built-in. Full LED light source supports auto headlights. In addition, LED daytime running lights are placed on the right and left sides of the front case, and there are darkened decorative strips on the front lip. As for the side of the body, the side of the new car has a compact and resourceful shape, and the raised waistlines at the front and rear increase the feeling of power of the whole car. In addition, the new car is also equipped with a set of 17-inch wheels with tire specifications. The body size of the new car is 4,500 by 1,842 by 1,746 mm. The wheelbase is 2,670 mm and is positioned as a compact SUV. At the rear of the car, the full-length tail lights continue to be used at the rear of the new car, and a spoiler has been added to the rear window. In addition, the lower part of the rear surround is equipped with darkened decorative parts, and there are 2 decorative exhausts on each side. The overall rear shape emphasizes a good sense of fashion and dynamics. In terms of interior design, the center console area of the new car is equipped with a 3-spoke flat-bottom steering wheel, 3.5-inch mechanical gauge and 10.25-inch floating center control display. There are also multimedia control buttons under the central control screen, and the manual transmission has also been modified. In terms of configuration, the new car comes as standard with tire pressure gauge, rear parking radar, reversing camera, automatic parking, steep hill descent, roof trunk, leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, smart remote control key, keyless entry, master driving position. Is coming. Keyless start, vehicle machine interconnection matching, CarPlay/CarLife, for speakers, electric adjustment of exterior mirrors, manual air conditioning, PM 2.5 filter device etc. features are available. For the seat part, the car adopts a 5-seater layout and the seats are all covered with faux leather. In terms of the functionality of the seats in the vehicle only support manual adjustment, while the rear seats support 4/6 down. For the power unit, the new car continues to be equipped with a 1.5T engine paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox with a maximum power of 115 kW, 156 PS, a maximum torque of 230 Nm and a maximum speed of 188 km. Comprehensive fuel consumption under WLTC conditions is 7.49 liters.